Have you ever checked your bank account and stared at the balance like it personally betrayed you? You tell yourself you're saving money, but somehow your money disappears faster than free food at a wedding. Then you open social media and see a teenager claiming he made $1 million in 3 weeks while posing beside a rented Lamborghini. Meanwhile, you're wondering if wealth is some secret club and nobody sent you an invitation. Here's the truth. Getting rich isn't magic, luck, or a secret formula. Most wealthy people follow proven principles that anyone can learn. 1. Start a business. The fastest path to significant wealth has always been business ownership. When you're employed, your income is tied to your salary. But when you own a business, your income can grow beyond the hours you work. Find a problem and provide a solution. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the opportunity.
2.
Build an e-commerce store. People buy products online every day. The goal isn't selling everything. It's finding a profitable niche and serving customers better than competitors. Strong branding, customer service, and marketing are what separate winners from everyone else.
3.
Invest in real estate. Real estate has created countless millionaires. Properties can generate rental income while increasing in value over time. The wealthy don't just work for money, they buy assets that work for them.
4.
Invest in the stock market. The stock market is one of the greatest wealth-building tools ever created. By buying shares of quality companies, you become a partial owner of those businesses. The secret is compound growth and patience. Successful investors think in years, not days.
5.
Create digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it repeatedly. That's the power of digital products like ebooks, templates, online tools, courses, and design assets. No inventory, no shipping, unlimited scalability. If you're learning something valuable so far, like this video and comment which of these first 5 methods you'd actually try.
6.
Develop high-income skills. One of the smartest investments is investing in yourself. Skills such as sales, marketing, copywriting, software development, AI, and video editing can dramatically increase your earning potential. The market rewards value.
7.
Start freelancing. Freelancing allows you to monetize your skills immediately. You don't need a fancy office or huge startup capital. You simply need a skill people are willing to pay for. Many successful entrepreneurs started this way.
8.
Build a YouTube channel. We live in the creator economy. A YouTube channel can generate income through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, memberships, and product sales. One video can continue earning money for years. Consistency is the key.
9.
Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning commissions from sales. You don't need to create products yourself. You simply connect people with solutions they already need. 10. Sell online courses. People pay to learn skills that save time and solve problems. If you have knowledge or expertise, package it into a course. Knowledge can become a valuable asset.
11.
Buy and improve businesses. Some entrepreneurs build businesses from scratch. Others buy existing businesses and improve them. By increasing efficiency, marketing, and profitability, they create more value and wealth.
12.
Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. When customers order, suppliers handle fulfillment. Competition can be high, but strong branding can still create success.
13.
Build mobile apps. The world runs on smartphones. Apps solve problems, entertain users, and simplify life. A useful app can generate recurring revenue for years.
14.
Invest in startups. Startup investing is risky. Many startups fail, but a few successful investments can produce exceptional returns. That's why experienced investors often dedicate a small portion of their portfolio to startups. Before we continue, tell me in the comments, if you had $10,000 today, which wealth-building method would you choose and why? 15. Build a personal brand. This may be the most powerful strategy on this list. A strong personal brand creates trust. Trust creates opportunities. Opportunities create income. When people know, like, and trust you, doors begin to open: clients, partnerships, investors, and business opportunities. Many modern millionaires built wealth simply by consistently sharing valuable content online. Here's the truth nobody likes hearing. There is no guaranteed shortcut to wealth. The people who build lasting wealth usually share the same habits: discipline, consistency, patience, learning, taking action. Most people spend years looking for the perfect opportunity, while successful people choose one path and commit to it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.